Hi everyone, it's Claire again, your onboarding specialist at Quantum Algo Trading. In this video, I am going to show you how to place trades on Tradingview. Before we begin, make sure your trading panel is visible. If you do not see the order and DOM panel on the right side of your screen, click the trade button in the top right corner of Tradingview to enable trading. If the panel still does not appear, log back into Tradivate using your Lucid credentials as shown in the previous video. Once your Tradivate account is connected, click the Order tab. At the top, select the side of the order you want to submit, either sell or buy. Next, choose your order type: market, limit, stop, or stop limit. Set your units, which is your contract size. Change this to one contract if it is higher. We strongly recommend starting with one contract while learning execution. Review time in force and leave it set to day for intraday trading. Day means the order will automatically cancel at the end of the session if it is not filled. You may toggle on take profit and stop loss if desired. Now this is important. Selecting buy or sell at the top does not place the trade. To actually submit the order, you must click the large blue or red button at the bottom of the order panel. Depending on which side you selected at the top, that large button will say either buy or sell. The trade is only placed when you click that large button. Once submitted, your order and position will appear in the Positions tab at the bottom of your screen, and your profit and loss will update in real time. Now let's move to the DOM tab. Click DOM. DOM stands for Depth of Market. It displays live bid and ask levels and is designed for faster execution. Many of our members prefer placing trades using the DOM because it is quicker and more responsive, especially when trading MNQ. To enable faster execution, click the three dots in the upper right corner of the DOM window. Select Settings. Go to the Trading tab, enable one-click trading and click OK. With one-click trading enabled, orders execute immediately without a confirmation window, so always double-check your contract size before clicking. At the bottom of the DOM, the blue Buy MKT button submits a market buy order. The red Sell MKT button submits a market sell order. Flatten immediately closes your position. CXL All cancels all pending orders. Reverse flips your current position. If you are ever unsure, flatten is your fastest way out. If any of these concepts feel confusing, mentorship may be a strong fit for you. Captain's mentorship is designed for traders of all skill levels, including complete beginners. He teaches trading from the ground up, including terminology, psychology, risk management, and structured execution. If you would like to learn directly from him, you can apply using the link in the description of this video. In the next video, we will activate and configure the quantum flow indicator. I will see you there.